Hey guys, this is Mainak and you're watching Civil Pro. So in today's video we'll see how to find out the bar bending schedule or simply the length of a particular stirrup of a beam. So this is a tie beam and we have a particular stirrup in it and we'll find out the length of it. So in detail we'll show you what is the concept behind it and how to easily find the total length. So in this particular stirrup of the beam, first of all you have to know what is the cover. So as you can see in the notes, it's written the beam cover is your 30 mm. So 30 mm is the cover. So first of all, what we'll do to get the length of this particular section, we'll do this will be 250 minus 60. So I'll just write here. It will be equals to 250 minus 60. So this will be one length. 60 means 30 covers from left side, 30 covers from right side. So this is this particular length, and this particular length, as you might have guessed till now, this will be plus. As you can see, the depth is 600, so it will be 600 minus 60. So this is the length here. So this particular value into 2. So this particular value multiplied by 2, this will be the total length here. Let us calculate the total length which we have find here. This is 190. This will be, if you break it up, it will be 190 plus 600 minus 60, which is 540. This is the side and multiplied by 2, so it will be 540 plus 190 multiplied by 2, that is 1460. So 1460 will be the total length here, total length of the particular stirrup. So we have now got the total length here. If you may see with the help of a diagram, we have just got the outer portions. Now we have a particular this stirrup. It has got a bend here. As you can see, it is a hook. So there is one hook and there is another hook. So the hook length is usually 10D, or by convention in some side it is kept at 75 mm as well. So if this is 8 mm bar, the 10D will be 80 mm. If it's 100 mm bar, the 10D will be 100 mm. This for one single hook. So I am taking here 75 mm for one single hook here. So since there are two hooks, so it will be the hook length will be your hook length in this will be 75 plus 75, that is 0.15. So I'll just do it. 0.075 into 2 is equals to 0.15. So this is the hook length of this particular stirrup, and now we have got the deductions. So there are very interesting and very useful things you need to remember whenever you are working on any bar bending schedule. That is the deductions. So for the deductions, you need to know that for 90 degree or 45 degree bend, the deduction is your 1D. Similarly, if the bend is for 90 degree, as you can see here, we have 3 90 degree bends. So if the bend is for 90 degree, then the deduction will be 2D. And if the bend is for 135 degree, as you have 2 bends of 135 degree here, 135, the deduction will be 3D. So this is very important. Whenever in any BBS, we need to remember this. So here, if you closely observe, this bend is 90 degree bend, this bend is also 90 degree bend, this bend is also 90 degree bend. So there are 3 90 degree bends here. So if we do the 3 number of deductions here, so deductions we'll do here, it will be equals to 3 numbers multiplied by your 90 degree bend, so it is 2D, 2 into the diameter So we are having here the bar of 8 mm. 8 mm stirrups are being used here. You can see here. So this is ST5, and in this diagram there will be some explanation for what is ST5. As you can see here, ST5 means 2 leg stirrup. It is 8 mm bars or the 8 torque at the rate 200 center to center. So this is ST5. So it explains that the bar diameter is your 8 mm. So here it is 8 mm bar. So D is 8 mm. So in meters it will be 0.008, and plus there will be two numbers of 135 degree bend, which is this one. This particular rod goes like this, and this particular rod goes like this. So there are two number of 135 degree bend, and we need to do the deductions. So two numbers multiplied by your 3D for 135 degree bend. So it's 3 into D, which is 0.008. So if we multiply and find out the value of this particular, it will be 3 into 2 into 0.008 plus 2 into 3 into 0.008. So it is 3 numbers of 90 degree bend and 2 numbers of 135 degree bend. So total value comes 0.096. So all the values are in meter here. This is 0.15 meter. This is also in meter, and this will be, if you do it in meter, it will be 1.46 meter. So if we do the total length now, the total length will be total stirrup length would be your, that is the length which we had calculated, the 250 into 600, that it was the beam size. So we had calculated that particular total length 190 plus 540 into 2, that is 1.46. So it is 1.46 plus the hook length, that is 0.15, all in meters, and the deductions. The total deductions will be your 0.096. So the total value will come out to be 1.514. So it will be 1.514 meters. So this is the total length of this particular stirrup. So if you want to calculate the number of stirrups in a particular length, you can easily calculate using the spacing. So suppose we want to calculate, suppose the beam has length of, let's say, 1 meter. So ST5 is 8 mm bars placed at a center to center distance of 200. So in this number of stirrups in a beam span of 1 meter, so it will be equals to, you can easily do this, 1 divided by 200 center to center distance, 0.2, and you can do this as plus 1. So this will be equals to 1 divided by 0.2, it is 5, and you can add 1 for the factor of safety, it will be equals to 6. So this is for 1 meter, and for any other span you can find out accordingly. So roughly for every single meter it will be around 6 bars, but you should not calculate like this. You should calculate depending on total span. So the span let's say is 4 meters. It will be 4 by 0.2 plus 1. So this value will come to be as 21. So like this, whatever the number that is coming, you can add 1 and the total stirrup length is this. It is 1.514. So when you are executing this at the site, you know that we have to utilize a rod or rebar of length 1.514 meter, and if we know the span, suppose a beam has a span of 4 meters, then we have to make 21 number of stirrups. So like this you can find out the BBS of your stirrups in beams. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching, and if you like it, drop a like in the video. Keep learning. Bye bye.